All right, gentlemen and ladies, good morning. So I want to explain more on this custom indicator. I told you it's too powerful. It's a too powerful indicator that will help you to make this market boom and crash and every synthetic indices, including currency pair. Is a kind of a universal indicator. Okay. So if you look at my chart now, let me go to 15 minutes. You see we have this line. Look up. We have this white line. Look at it. Look at this white line. We also have this pink line. Okay, you see it. So that line then bring you to current market. You see the line here as well. You see it here, right? So if you look here, how do you trade with this indicator? The moment you purchase it, remember I told you the cost of this custom indicator is $100. So but the only bonanza I will do that I will give you some additional indicator that will help you to have proper confirmation about the market, so that you will not just enter, even though we know even when you enter without that confirmation, you will still make your money. But it's always good to confirm market. You don't confirm market with one just this thing. You cannot take a decision in the market with one indicator. So this indicator is just two lines, up and down. Look at this thing. You see this one, you see the white one up. So how do you trade with it when you purchase it? So when you purchase it now, so you install it. I know you know how to install the indicators. If you don't know, I'll do a video about that. So you just have it will appear in this way in your chart. Up, that is up. You see the white one, and down the pink one. So anytime, be it boom, be it volatility, be it crash, anytime you see price tampered with the up, you see up, you see here, you see price tampered with up. Let me, this is not sensing well. Just look here. You see here, you see this blue pink. Price touches, let me adjust this in. As price touches this upside, you see it, you see Microsoft up there. So this market doesn't have option. You see that big pink circle is a confirmation that the price will go down. But even without that big pink, each time price touches the upper band, it must descend down. Let us trace it. You see this place again. Look at here. It touches. What happened? The price moved down. Okay. Let's see where it touches up. Let's just free. When we are done with up, we'll talk of the down one. You see here, price touches the show. What happens? It goes. So if you are a buyer, you'll be looking at when the price will touch the lower band. Look at the lower band. Look at the lower band. You see the touch. You see how the price moves up. Look at the lower band. You see, as it's touched with confirmation, that red circle, the price moves up. Let us see all the touch. You see, it's touched here. What happened? The price moves up. Look at the touch again. The price moves up. So if you are a buyer, you'll be looking at opportunity when this thing will touch the lower band. If you are a seller, you'll be looking at opportunity when this thing touch the upper band. You see the touch here. What happened? The price moves down. So let us see more. Let us see more. Look at the touching for buyer. Proper touching. Don't take any partial touching trade. This one properly touched, and what happened with confirmation? Price moves up. So let us keep saying, look at the proper touching. What happened with confirmation? Price moves down. So if you are a buyer, you'll be looking at opportunities when this thing will touch at the lower band. If you are a seller, you'll be looking at opportunity when this thing touch at upper band, and they can't resist you. So remember, in this market, you can never succeed without equipping yourself with the tools. Okay, some of you, what happened to some of you that you are too stingy to get tools and you think you can succeed? No, it's not like that. You must get tools, you must equip yourself, because the market is a war. So if you must fight a war, you must equip yourself with tools. Okay, so remember, don't just think you just want to get the tools, you want to make money before you get the tools, because it's the tools that will even give you the money. So it's better you equip yourself over time. It's not about the money. Some of you just jump into the market, you want to scalp, you want to play. You don't play smart, you must follow it as a due process. What are the processes? You just get the knowledge, get the tools. No matter how you think you have reached, you need the tools to survive, no matter what you think you have known about price action. So look at this one. You see the upper touch. What happened? The price moves down. Remember, the time frame I'm watching this thing is from 15 minutes, so you can watch from 5 minutes as well. Don't take this thing from 1 minute. From 5 minutes up down to any time frame. You see the touch here. What happened? Spike started palming. Let me show you. Let me adjust back. You see the touching here. See what spike has been doing? Crash. Okay, look at the touching down there. Look at the something move up because of the touching. Okay, so let me adjust again. So look at the touching up here. Look at how crash down. Look at the touching here. The something buys up. Okay, simple as that. Let us take it to 15 minutes. I told you this in trade everything. Let me insert boom. Let me insert any boom. Any boom can go. Let me look at boom. This one is boom 1000. So boom 1000, you see the upper touch. So we were looking at sell opportunity when this thing will touch the upper band. Look at it with the confirmation. I told you this red circle didn't come with this indicator. The indicator itself just cost $100. Though I bought it $400, $420, I mean, but I'm selling it $100. So I'm selling it. I will give you some confirming indicator that you're supposed to even buy extra, but I'm giving it as a bonus for the first 20 persons that will order for this indicator. Is too powerful. Look at sell opportunity at the upper touch. You look at the buy opportunity at the lower touch. You see, look at it touched. Look at the spikes. Boom. It's touched down or up. Look at the move. Boom. It's touched down. Look at the spikes. Boom. Even if you watch it in any time frame from 5 minutes up, look at. I say don't take a trade when the thing is partially touched. It must completely touch. You look at this one. You see the touch with confirmation, it moves down. You see the touch with confirmation, it pumps up. Simple. So you don't look at this one. Look at the touch with confirmation, it what moves down. Look at the touch with confirmation. Anytime it touches any of the upper or the lower, there must be a reaction. There must be a diffraction. Look at this one again. W pattern, double bottom. You see the touch here. Boom. You see the touch here, up. You see the touch here, boom. As simple as that. Let's go to volatility. I don't want this volatility 75. So some of you will see me when I post big result, big money. You'll think it's a magic. It's not magic. It's because I equipped myself front, left, and right, and back, forward. So you don't succeed without equipping yourself, because this market is a war. Okay, you don't fight war with empty-handed. So we don't play smart there. Just if that's your $10 account, is good. You save the money and get twos. Test run it then, and now save another money to trade down, to save small and dash it to them. Save small. We will keep complaining how we blowing account. You blow it even more than your expectation, because you are not equipped. You are just going war with empty-handed, or they try to use only intelligence. No, you cannot survive like that. So let us see this one. You see the touch for here. Look at the touch. So what happened? Market moves down. If you look at the touch, market moves up. Look at the touch, market what moves down with confirmation. So I told you I attach this thing just for confirmation. I also have another thing. Let me attach it. You see, I have different tools. I bought them differently provided. You see this thing I just added now. Look at it. This one just confirming with arrow down that is a total downtrend after the touching. So when this thing touch, I will allow the red cycle to come, or for this one to give me arrow down, this pink. I will go in for buy, for sell. Look at this one. As this one touch here, anywhere it appears, that means there's a potential. As this one touch here, I will allow this thing to give me arrow up. You see arrow up here. So I will just go in for buy, knowing that it's confirmed with 3 indicators. Okay, look at this one. This one touched here. This one also confirmed it, this line. So I know it will go. Look at this one touched. I see the arrow down. I know it has confirmed. It will go. It will come down. Simple something. So don't just waste your money trying to make money before you get use. It's the choose first, because that is what will give you access to the market. So look at this one. This one touched with confirmation. I told you all this indicator I'm adding to it is not that they didn't come with them. Do you understand? But I can help you when you order this thing, to give you this complete tool so that you are profitable. So meanwhile, if you are watching this thing from YouTube, it's good you sign up as Donvar donor community members, where you will give you strategies and tools that will help you. Stop complaining that you don't make money in the system, because there's too much money in that system. Okay, don't be discouraged. Just work with the right mentor, Donvar. Okay, so how do you engage in my this thing, in my platform? Number one is either you pay one-time fee of $40, that is 20,000 naira, or you forfeit your old account and sign in with our donor community link. So then from there you will not pay. Maybe you don't have money in that, maybe you have blown that account and it's empty. So the another source where you can access my community, maybe you don't have 20,000 naira to pay me or $40 to pay me. So what you do, you forfeit that your former account, come back with a fresh mentor, sign up with our donor community link, which I will leave below this video, or you will chat me on WhatsApp on 08058984443 to get the link. Then I'll add you up, where we send, apart from these custom indicators, we have powerful strategies. In case maybe you don't have money for this one now, you have powerful setups you can use on your phone to at least build your account and buy the required indicator. So this one is V75. You see the touching. So imagine you get this V75 from the touching here with the confirmation. You see the move. So you just key them. It's simple something. Imagine you get it when it's touched down here. you want to buy, you see the move, you just kill this market. It's simple something. So stop complaining. Let me go to another this thing. Let me say step index. I told you to trade everything, including currency pair. Do you see step index? Look at the touch here with confirmation. What happened? The market moves down. Look at the touching with confirmation. This one is step index. So this one moves up. You know step index, you know what it can do in your account when you take a little move. It's just like a V75. Look at this one. So this one has a partial. Okay, this one touched here. It's touched here before, but with confirmation. Arrow down. So you go in, look at this one touched here, get here, this one confirm it, you go up. Simple something. So don't waste your time. Join the Donval Donor community, where we'll give you all the latest strategies on how to beat the system. Congratulations and welcome. So more videos will come your way. Always chat me on WhatsApp. Please don't just call me. If you want to talk to me, give me a voice call on WhatsApp, or type me a message. I will reply it when I'm less busy, because I'm serving public. So if I keep receiving calls the way you think, it may affect my whatever. So congratulations and welcome to Donval Donor community. Click on that link below to join the Telegram group. Then the WhatsApp group is a paid group. So if you must access, though, I'll give more attention on that paid group, because that's where I give comprehensive training about the whole system and the highest tools to use, the right tools to use, and make the market. We have other things apart from here. We have robots, we have custom indicators, we have uncustomized indicators that gives us a way to the market. Congratulations. Order your own now. Don't hesitate. If it needs for you to remember, I always say it, don't borrow money to put in this system, as in that way you want to fund your account, you can borrow money. Don't do it, because it's a 50-50 occasion. So you see this one, see this current market now, somebody just missed market, as in being, you see when this thing touch now, this is step index, you just fire in, because it's a short down, it's a short banker. Look at it, it's coming now very small. Now it will touch the lower band. Okay, so that is it. Congratulations. Happy to see you, happy to hear from Donval. And the next video, I'll show you. Some of you are asking me how to log into, how you download the drive with your system. I will help you do the video right away. So this thing is just interpreting. This one is trade assistant. It's telling me sell, because the market has been selling. So you see this one, the trade assistant, is telling me, you see, if you look here now, you see the number of sellers are too many. Okay, telling me that the momentum of the market is down, and it has been moving down all those while. So that is just the confirmation. Thank you very much for watching this video, and welcome. Bless you.